G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. One of the things I have in my diet are chia seeds. They're so versatile, so delicious, and they're also great to make up a dessert too. So join me today as I make my version of a blueberry chia seed pudding. Okay, so this is literally going to take me just a minute or two to put together. So I'm going to start off with some blueberries. Now you can use fresh or frozen, being defrosted of course. Personally, I just go whatever's cheaper because it all comes down to what's in season. And basically, you just want to mash them down as much as you can. You can do this in a little mini blender if you like, but I just like to get in there with a teaspoon and just roughly mash them up like so. Okay, so I've got them roughly mashed up. Now you can do it as a puree, it's up to you. I like to have the extra texture. Okay, so next I'm going to add in probably one of my most favorite ingredients, and that's chia seeds. They are so healthy, so wonderful, and they really are a perfect thickening agent that's completely natural and healthy. So to our mashed up blueberries, I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons worth of our chia seeds. Now you can use any type of milk that you like, for example almond milk, but I'm going to use coconut milk simply because of the taste. But you can also use normal milk as well. And to keep it healthier, make sure it's the unsweetened version. Because with the blueberries and the added extras I'm going to be adding in a minute, it's already going to be sweet enough anyway, so you don't need all those artificial sugars. So I'm going to pour in 2 cups of our coconut milk. And then finally, I'm going to add some vanilla extract. So with the sweetness of the blueberries and some vanilla extract, that's going to add a nice touch of sweetness without all the extra calories. And simply give it a very good mix through until everything is combined. And all the chia seeds are completely immersed in our milk. Now you can use any type of dish that you like. Dessert dish, a mug, completely up to you. Just simply pour in the desired amount. And it's that simple. Now we're just going to place these into the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, preferably overnight, just to give a chance for all those chia seeds to thicken up that lovely milk. Now what I do recommend is give it a quick stir after the first hour or so, just to prevent everything from settling down as it's thickening, because it will start to thicken up pretty fast. So the main goal is to make sure everything is nice and uniform in texture. So give it a good stir after the first hour, and then you'll be perfectly set, and in about 4 hours or overnight, it's ready to serve. Okay, so I've just taken it out of the fridge after 4 hours, and as you can see, it is completely set. Now you can have it as is and it'll be perfectly fine. In fact, it'll be delicious. Or you can add a topping to it. Now you can add some more blueberries, but personally, I just like to add just a few little pistachios, because it just adds that nice little extra soft crunch. So it's not only a texture thing, it's a taste thing. And these nuts really are the good fat that you want in this healthy dessert. And honestly, doesn't that look just delicious? It's not only incredibly healthy, it's incredibly delicious too. Especially when it's topped off with those delicious pistachios. So it literally took me just a few minutes to put together. It's not only incredibly healthy, it's incredibly simple to make, and it doesn't get any better than this. Again, you can use any topping that you like, if you choose. Personally, I love pistachios, but no matter what you choose, either way, it's going to taste simply delish.